Hi folks, this is Clay. I am here at Tempe Town Lake. I got a couple of guys around me. I don't want to include them in this video. Got cyclists going past. Let me show you the lake. I am right here under the rural road. This is Tempe Town Lake. It's an artificial lake here in Tempe, Arizona. Show that fellow over there. It is a man-made lake filled with reclaimed water. This is to the west. Over to the east, man, I really love this gimbal. That's smooth as shit, isn't it? Okay, so over here to the east, the water comes down out of those mountains there. It's the Salt River, and down at that end is an inflatable dam, and down at this end is an inflatable dam. They created this entire thing right over here on the other side of that. That's a mountain. Right there is Sun Devil Stadium. Well, they don't call it Sun Devil Stadium anymore. Oh, it's Mountain America Stadium. Yeah, Sun Devil Stadium. I saw Floyd there in '95. Awesome. See those seats right up there? Just to the right of that mountain? We were almost up there in the nosebleed section. I think we were one section down. The stage was down at the other end of the stadium. Awesome show. I think it was like 5 huge bomber joints worth of music. Great show. During the wall, they actually built the wall during the song. And at the end of the song, the lights went down. 15 seconds later, lights come back up, the wall's gone. I mean, just completely freaking disappeared in 10-15 seconds. So, let's get on with the festivities here. Whoops, hit that little joystick. Let me set my tripod up over here. Okay. So, so there's grass carp in here, and everything in my tackle box, the newest stuff is 3 years old, and the oldest stuff is 5 years old. But lo and behold, Play-Doh, it's still squishy. And I got some of this. This was still sealed. Looks like it leaked a little bit, but Gulp Alive Nightcrawler Ver de Terre. I don't know if I was supposed to roll the R's that much, but hey, it is what it is. Let's get her done. Tempe Town Lake for fishing day. My daughter's coming. My daughter's coming to come fishing with me. My son, he's coming too. He might not stay. I hope he does. later. And thank you very much for watching. Like and subscribe.